Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. Short demonstration here. We're in a Nissan here which has the ABS warning light, traction control ESP off, and we're using the Autel MK808 kit. This is a fantastic kit and I'll put a link to this kit in the description below this video. Please be aware though that fakes and clones do exist, so you'll make sure you get a genuine product by clicking the link in the description below this video. That will take you to the genuine listings or the genuine products. Okay, that aside, we've got this tool plugged into the dashboard. You can see we've got a few warning lights on the dashboard in this Nissan, and to diagnose this we need to click into diagnostics, funnily enough, and then we go to easy if we click Asia at the top, because then that brings us the Asian manufacturers, and we just find Nissan, which is there. Sorry about the glare on the screen there, it's quite hard to hide that. So we go manual selection, we're in Europe, we're in Great Britain, and we need to find the Qashqai Plus 2. It's a G10 from 2008 onwards, so we'll just click yes to all of that, and then we'll go to diagnosis, control unit, and we want to find the ABS system. So this is it, ABS. You can see it's very easy to use, the workflow is very straightforward, very simple, and I do love using this tool. So this just takes maybe 15-20 seconds to connect to the vehicle, just so we can establish the connection and start diagnosing the fault. We already know what the fault is, in fact. I'm just sort of taking you through the process here of what it would be. So we've got C1102 for the fault code, and in the description we've got rear left hand sensor 1. So that's telling us that there's a fault with the rear left hand sensor. Now we've put a new ABS sensor in, but we're still getting the warning lights, still getting the fault code. So if I go back here and I go to erase codes, codes have been successfully erased. Just double check them, read them again just to double check. So it's telling us now there are no fault codes, but you'll probably see though that the warning lights are all still on. That's characteristic of this vehicle, probably other Nissans as well. Sometimes the warning lights will turn off instantly when you reset a code, but not for this one. In this case, all we need to do is, because we've reset the codes, we've put a new part in, all we need to do is turn the engine off and back on, and you'll probably see that all of the warning lights will initially come on and then turn off. There we go, they've all gone off, and it's all thanks to the Autel MK808, which is a fantastic kit. It does all sorts of manufacturers' systems. It does a huge range of like special functions, service functions as well. So it's ideal for anyone who has their own garage or their own vehicles that they just want to look after and maintain as best they can. Okay, remember I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video, because fakes and clones do exist, so if you want to make sure you get the genuine product, then please make sure you use those links only. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.